Hello students. So here we are going to learn about the real gas equation. So we have something called as ideal gas. Ideal gas, and we know that ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT. Now what is real gas equation? Means real gas equation, also known as Van der Waals equation. The equation I'll show you first what it is. It is given as P plus A n square by V square and V minus NB is equal to nRT. This is what the real gas equation. This equation is also known as a Van der Waals equation. This equation is also known as a Van der Waals equation. Now you can see here instead of P, what is there? P plus A n square is there. Instead of V, there is V minus NB. Means there is something called as a pressure correction and then there is a volume correction. And that is what we are going to learn in this lecture. What is meaning of the pressure correction and the volume correction. So with respect to the ideal gas. So let's first understand about the two postulates. Okay, which was marked as a hash in the previous video. Okay, if you go back and see, I had said that you can just remember this. It was marked this way. So the two assumptions of the kinetic theory, going back to the kinetic theory of the gases. Okay, according to the kinetic theory of gases, two assumptions. First assumption was there is no intermolecular forces of attraction. There is no intermolecular forces of attraction between particles. And second, I will write one more assumption is that actual volume, okay, volume occupied by the gas particle, volume occupied by gas particles is negligible as compared to actual volume of the gas. What is the volume of the gas? Volume of the container, right? Volume of container, that is the actual volume of the gas. So volume occupied by the gas particles is negligible as compared to the actual volume of the gas, that is volume of the container. These were the two assumptions which was made, that was for the ideal gas. In the real case, both the assumptions go wrong. Means what? In the there are all gases are real. There are nothing called as a ideal gas. Ideal is just a hypothetical. We consider that as a, because our learning becomes easy. So here there is no force of attraction. There exists a force of attraction between the particles. And second, volume occupied by particle is not negligible. Means this was for the ideal gases. Understand? This was for the ideal gases. So for real gases, what are these 2 points? Real gases, if I want to summarize these 2 points, then this is what there exists some intermolecular forces of attraction. And second, volume is not negligible. Volume occupied by particles is not negligible. Okay. Volume occupied by particles is not negligible. Gas particle is not negligible compared to the actual volume of the gas, that is the volume of the container. So on the basis of these two things, we are going to do two things, one is pressure correction and other is a volume correction. So first let's learn about the volume correction, how we are getting that V is equal to V minus NB, right? So first we'll learn about the volume correction. Volume correction. I'll write this is negative correction. Negative correction means we are writing V minus NB, no? Just for you to remember, this is V minus NB. See, in the case of the ideal gas, okay, particles were considered to be point masses. It was considered to be a point masses. This was with respect to the KTG, kinetic theory of the gases, and this was for the ideal gas. This was for the ideal gas. But in reality, for the real gases, particles means gas molecules. Particles means gas molecules. Particles means gas molecule has some finite volume. Finite volume. Why? Here they are not a point masses. Okay, here particles or the molecules, particles are not point masses. We don't consider. In reality, it has certain volume. Okay, these gas particles, what we say, it, although it is small, it has certain volume. Okay, it occupies some space. Okay, not a point masses. This is the thing. Now let us consider that collision, bimolecular collision. Let us consider bimolecular collision. Bimolecular collision. Bimolecular collision. Bimolecular collision, let's say these are the two particles, let's say this is one particle is colliding with the other particle. Okay, this is colliding with the other particle. This is the radius, this is the nucleus of this is the nucleus of this, right? This is radius and this is radius. Same molecule, no? Same gas it is, so it is the same particle. So this is the volume. If I say that this is the volume, this is the excluded volume, this is the excluded volume. 1 minute. This is excluded volume, excluded volume. What is the meaning of excluded volume? In this region, in this shaded region, the other particles cannot come. Okay, other particles in this shaded region, other particles cannot come. That is what it means. Other particle. So what is the excluded volume? Excluded volume for these two molecules. So excluded volume for two particles, or I will say molecules. Okay, this could be a molecule also. Okay, I am representing all the one sphere, or it could be a molecule also. Will be is equal to what? Volume of the sphere, we say, no? It is volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Now this shaded region's radius is this. Shaded region's radius is this, right? This is the shaded region's radius. So this is what we are finding excluded volume. How much it will be? It won't be just r, it will be 2 times r. 2 times r, the whole cube, right? Which is equal to 4/3 pi, and 2 raised to 3 is 8, and this is r cube. Now this is excluded volume for the two particle. Excluded volume for two particles, right? In this other particle, like they are occupying some volume, that is what they mean. In the case of ideal gas, it was said that volume, these particles of the gas doesn't have any volume, means these are the particles, and you can compress it in a small region, or you can fix it over here, all the particles. This volume, actual volume of the gas, which is which can be stored in a small region is very less compared to the whole volume, negligible. That was said, volume occupied by the actual gas particle negligible. But we can say that since no other particle can come, this is also the volume occupied by these two particles. So excluded volume for the two particles, right? So what will be excluded? This is the excluded volume for these two particles, no? Right? So excluded volume, since there are two particles, so excluded volume for one particle will be how much? Particle is 4/3 pi 8 r cube divided by 2. Hope it is coming into the frame. Yes, divided by 2. Right? So this will get cancelled. So you can copy this. I just need this space, so I'll clean this. So from here, excluded volume, therefore excluded volume for one particle is equal to what? It is 4/3 pi 4 r cube. Excluded volume for the one particle. Now for 1 mole, for 1 mole means what? 6.023 into 10 to 23. It will be what? 4/3 pi 4 r cube into Na, right? So this volume which is occupied, this is actually a volume for 1 mole. So this is actually a B. This is actually the B, that is 4/3. That's why we write, no, in a Van der Waals correction, V minus NB. Volume correction is written to be V minus NB. That is actually a B, 4/3 pi 4 r cube into Na. Right? So when for a 1 mole, let's say if it is a 1 mole, then this is 2. Right? For n number of moles, volume correction is written. So I will consider this to be B. So therefore volume correction, excluded volume, okay, excluded volume. So B is 4 into Na, 4 into Na into 4/3 pi 4 r cube. That is what the B over here is. And here, where r is the radius of the molecule, so what we can write is V ideal or V free volume. Okay, free volume will be is equal to what? Means excluding that molecules. This was the gas particle. They has some molecules. Other particles, let's say this is the collision between the particle. Other particles cannot come in this region. Other particles cannot come. So we will consider this volume, and this volume is not negligible. That is what it means. So how much we are getting? We are getting that to be is equal to, I will write NB. N is the number of moles. Okay, for 1 mole it is Na into this, right? So I will write, this is V minus NB, and this is what the volume correction for a real gas equation. That is how we are getting V minus NB, and it is negative correction, minus NB. Okay, NB represents the volume of gas particles. NB represents volume of gas particles. B is a Van der Waals constant. Over here B, if we say it is a Van der Waals constant. And what is the physical significance of this? B is a measure of the volume of the molecule. B is the measure of the volume of the molecule. Or we can say measure of the volume of the molecule, or the finite size of the molecule. Finite size of the molecule. Size is bigger, volume is bigger. You can see this, right? So about the units and all I'll discuss later. Let's go on to the units of this B. We'll discuss later, I mean. And later, okay, now we'll go on a pressure correction. Now let's learn about the pressure correction. So now let us learn about the pressure correction. Let's learn about the pressure correction. The one of the postulate of the kinetic theory of the gases which was wrong is there is no force of attraction between the particle. That is what is said. It is negligible, right? That is what is said. So this is, I will say, a positive correction. Positive correction. See, pressure of the gas. If this is the gas container, if this is the gas container, and this is the particle. This is the particle of the gas. These are the particles of the gas. Let's say these are the particles here. How do we say the pressure of the gas? Pressure means this particle go and collide on the walls of the container. These particles are going and colliding on the walls of the container, right? There are particles over here also. These particles are over here also. Imagine a situation that there is no force of attraction between these particles and this particle. There is no force of attraction. So these particles are going to go and hit on the walls of the container with full force, since there is no force of attraction. So P ideal, we will call this to be a P ideal. Okay, but if there is a force of attraction between this particle and this particle, what will happen is that this particle with which this particle is going to hit on the wall of the container will be less, because this particle is pulling this particle towards itself because of the some force of attraction. And this is what the real gas is. Real gases have some intermolecular forces. In real gases there exists a intermolecular forces. So whatever particles are there, they are colliding on the walls of the container, they will collide with a less force because the inward pull will be there. These particles will be pulling this over, this particle will be pulling this particle which are about to go and collide on the wall of the container, right? So what will we think? P ideal will be, or I will write P observed will be is equal to P ideal minus P corrected. I need to add some correction to this. So therefore what will be a P ideal? P ideal will be P observed plus P corrected, right? P corrected. So pressure corrected pressure, right? It will depend, okay? It will depend upon the following factor. Pressure correction, just note this down. Pressure correction will depend upon the following factor. Pressure correction will depend on following factor. Means pressure correction term, pressure correction term P corrected, okay, is directly proportional to the number of gas molecule, is directly proportional to number of gas molecules per unit volume. Means if there are more particles inside, the correction will be more. Means the particles are not going to go and hit on the wall of the container. What is the number of moles per N by V? It is given as a N by V. Okay, so this is one factor, pressure correction term. Also pressure correction is also dependent. Pressure correction, this is one thing, one factor you can consider. Second, a pressure correction term is directly proportional, over here, right, is directly proportional to number of collision with wall. Number of collisions with wall. So what is the number of collisions with wall? Number of collision with wall is directly proportional to number of collision with wall wall is directly proportional to number of molecules per volume. More is the number of the molecule, more will be collision, right? So it is this. So together, if we consider the pressure correction will be directly proportional to, therefore pressure correction is directly proportional to n square by v square. Okay, therefore p corrected is what? Equal to, I'll put this to be a over here, n square by v square. Okay, so total pressure correction, this is the total pressure correction. So what was that? That was a p plus a n square by v square. This is what the pressure correction. Over a is a van der Waals constant. A is a van der Waals constant. Van der Waals constant. And what does A tell about? A tell about a measure of, it is a measure of force of attraction. Force of attraction between the particles. Measure of force of attraction between the particles. So this is the pressure correction, and whole equation, if we rewrite the whole equation, it would be this way. Pressure correction we have done, p plus a n square by v square. This is what the pressure correction. So final van der Waals equation is written this way: p plus a n square by v square, v minus nb is equal to nrt. Okay,